If you want to check out how I make money online every single month and how you can too, click the first link in the description. Now let's get to this video. Yo, this video is a public service announcement. All right. There are tons of videos online with the title, get paid to watch videos, how to make $100 a day watching videos, blah, blah, blah. Here is the honest truth about getting paid to watch videos. Yes. All right. There are some websites out there that you can sign up for and you can actually watch videos and earn cash. It's true. All right. It is true. But what also is true is the fact that you will make very, very little money doing this. All right. Put this in perspective. Any of these sites that you find that actually say, hey, you can get paid to watch videos, right? If you actually sign up for these sites, there's two things that you're going to quickly learn. One is you're only going to get a few cents, a few pennies to watch these videos. And the second thing you're going to realize is there's actually a limit to the videos you can watch. Either the website is going to only allow you to watch a certain amount of videos, or there's only going to be a certain amount of videos that anybody can watch, period, right? So you need to keep that in mind. I'm making this because a lot of people, when they search the whole, make money online, and they come across get paid to watch videos, get paid $50 a day. People actually think, some people are under the impression that, oh my God, I can actually just sign up and I can just pour me some coffee, right, in the mornings, and I can just work from 9 a.m. to 12 noon, 3 hours, and I can make maybe, $12 an hour or $15 an hour just watching videos. Now you have to ask yourself that. If that was the case, wouldn't damn near everybody be watching videos for money, at least on a part-time basis? If you can get $10 an hour, just $10 an hour, who the hell wouldn't watch videos, right? Watch videos for 4 hours a day and earn $40 a day. Who wouldn't do that, right? And you have to realize when it says get paid to watch videos, what do you think? You understand? What would you be doing? Because most people watch videos for free anyway. So you have to actually ask yourself, did this really make sense? How could I possibly make $100 a day watching videos? All right. So it's a lot of content out there about that. And it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? It sounds good. I remember when I first seen a video that said get paid to watch videos, I watched it. Because I'm like, damn, this would be a nice little side hustle. You know what I'm saying? I watch YouTube videos all the time anyway, so why can't I get paid for it? And that's where a lot of people are misled to believe they can do this. And in reality, yes, technically you can watch ads, which are videos, right, for money, but you're literally going to earn 1 to 3 cents doing this type of work, all right, if you even consider this work. So the point of this video is stop trying to get paid for watching videos, because you cannot make real money doing this.